Hey YouTube, it's Justin the Junkie. How the fuck are you guys doing today?
Okay, back to the fucking basics. You got yours and mine, I want you to taste it. Open wide and no, don't you waste it. Oh shit, all over your face, kid.
So today, this is just a quick little, I got some more stuff in for the shop, and kind of like an update video, kind of where I'm at and all that type of stuff coming up a little bit later. But this is stuff that I got just to have around the shop as like shop supplies and for doing stuffs on the trucks. So let's get the first thing out of the way here. The first thing is Keen Tools 33-195. A link will be in the description for Amazon. This is a dismounting tool set for 19.5 tires. This spoon is a little bit different here and here, and it's also this pretty blue color. So you get that, this leather guard for the wheels, this brass thing that holds the bead on, and this is something to help take them off. I'll have to look at the instructions. They also have a YouTube video. You know, we'll look at that. Bent, curved in. Whatever. So that's the first thing we got. The next thing I got is these little portable airlines from McMaster Car. I got brass, fittings, DOT fittings, and blowguns with this kind of thing in the bottom of it. This is for the dump trucks, so the guys have air. They can blow the cab out, blow the dirt, dust, debris, all that stuff, trying to keep the trucks clean and nice and neat. We got all these brand new trucks. Hey, let's try to keep them clean. That's that. Moving on to the next thing, I bought a foam cannon. Now this is the third one that I've had. The first two were Adams products. Like I said, I like the Adams stuff, but I've been watching some YouTube videos. The problem with theirs is it wasn't compatible with my pressure washer's volume and pressure, and it was kind of fucking it up. And so I bought this one. It's called MTEM Hydro. I will put a link to it down in the description if you guys want foam cannons. These things absolutely work the best. I'm trying to figure out how to wash the dump trucks faster and do a better job. And these foam cannons seem to be doing pretty good. I got to also get something for some water. Now going with that, I bought Watermelon Snow Foam Auto Wash. Watch some YouTube videos. The guys have all said that, like, are professional fucking detailers. I didn't know there was such a genre on YouTube, but there is. Okay, there is. Just saying. They said that this stuff is the best. They also said it does the best foaming, and it seems to do the best pressure cleaning when you use this foam cannon. So I bought that. Now, I needed something to measure how much you put into this, because what you do is, I'll do a tutorial on this foam cannon, because if you guys don't know, these things are the shit. But you put 4 ounces of this in there, then you fill this the rest of the way up with lukewarm water, and it will put down like a thick bit of foam on the trucks, and then you just brush them off. So I also got a set of funnels, cheap funnels on Amazon, right here, this kind of foam funnel things to pour into here so you don't make a fucking mess, because this shit's kind of expensive. But anyway, that's what we got going on here. I'll swing you around, and then we'll just shoot the shit here for a couple minutes. And I'll kind of explain kind of what's been going on and all the stuff, just growing pains with this business expansion and just trying to get everybody on the team and all that stuff. So just give me a second here. So as you guys can tell, you obviously see some stuff missing here. I'm still working on the shop organization. It's not going as fast as I want to. The reason is that, I've hired people for night jobs, and, everybody's all gung-ho till they get here, and then the first night they get scared and they don't show up. It's happened twice. That's just part of, I think, growing pains. The 2 guys that I got have been absolutely wonderful. We have another new day shift guy. What we're doing is just working with him to, get him to accustomed to how we do stuff around here at JST Trucking. And I think that that's just natural growing pains. Now, a lot of people have been wondering how I've been buying these trucks and all that stuff. Well, like I said in the videos, dude, it's been 3 hard years of me putting in hours. Well, me putting in hours is, hey, night shift started again. They called, they could use a third truck. I have one available. Guess who the monkey in the seat is? That's right. The living legend himself is back hauling asphalt at night. Flip-flop, a.k.a. the junkie, the snap-on junkie. I go by flip-flop out there because in the summer I'll wear flip-flops. But the living legend is back hauling asphalt. So it's been 6 months since I've done it. And to be honest with you, I kind of like driving. I don't know if I want to drive every day, but I kind of like driving. But anyway, kind of the update is that, yes, we are getting more trucks. They'll be here sometime in July. How this business expansion kind of happened was really sheer luck. I'm kind of not going to talk about the who, where, what, and when, and why, but just know from about February to July, I'm going to be pretty busy doing a lot of other things. And as much as I hate to admit it, I've slowed down on my YouTube videos, and I don't like that. Well, the reason is, it's just because I got so much shit going on. I got, Enzo, we just found out today, Enzo is been having some problems sleeping. And it's terrifying my wife, Miss Junkie, Brittany, about what's going on with Enzo. So finally, we got him to a sleep person. And today she called me. Again, I'm not going to be home because I got to fix some shit on 2 trucks when they come back in. One's done, and then I got to do something on the other one. But Enzo has to have surgery a day after his 1-year birthday. What happened is that he's been having some breathing problems at night. He snores like a fucking 50-year-old man, and he wakes up screaming from time to time, and it's just, it's kind of scary because me and my wife, when we are there, we're not getting much sleep and all this stuff because he just wakes up screaming bloody murder. Well, found out that 80% of his airway is blocked by his adenoids, and they're going to have to do surgery on him. And that's pretty scary for me, not because of, it's very rare you want to put a 1-year-old down for surgery. I'm nervous. Anyway, that's supposed to happen July 11th, so that's weighing on my mind, plus running these truck stuff. So anybody that says that I have it easy or that I'm spoiled or, I'm just a rich kid out here playing truck driver couldn't be furthest thing from the truth. I am juggling a lot of different things along with this YouTube, Facebook, fucking Instagram. I'm being pulled in a million different directions, and I'm trying to keep it all on the straight and narrow. So, to the companies that sent me stuff and I have reviews, I'll get to you when I fucking get to you. A lot of this shit, some of the tool reviews, I know we got the Patreon May thing coming up. I got that all figured out. The Patreons will hear about that at the beginning of next week. What else has been going on? Just, running these trucks. Like I said, I drove the truck last night for the first time in 6 months. And, you had to knock the rust off a little bit. But other than that, everything's going well. Looking forward to having a really good year, especially this expansion stuff. Really excited about this. Really lucky that it happened to me, and things like that. But there's just a lot of other things going on in the background. I wanted to update you kind of just on where my life is. It's strung out. So, like, guys that don't know about owning businesses is a hard game to be into, guys, just to be honest with you. Like, running any type of business is dedication, sacrifice, and all that stuff. And I'm taking steps to make it less sacrificing on my family. Like me not seeing E, me not seeing Brittany, me not seeing really anybody but these four walls of this shop till I get things ordered. And I kind of understood that when I took on this big expansion, is that it's going to take me maybe 3 or 4 months to get everything synced up, to get everybody on the same fucking wavelength as me. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is what I need you to do. And it's going to be growing pains here for a little bit. And I realize that. I'm not bitching about it. I'm not complaining. I'm not quitting. I'm not doing any of that shit. I ain't whining. I'm just kind of telling you, for guys that want to open their own business, this is the kind of shit that you're going to run into when you start going to massive expansion this quickly. You have to be ready to take on, you got to have some broad shoulders and also be able to choke down a lot of bullshit because you're going to get fed a lot. As of that, that's really all I've got going on. I got some other stuff coming. I got a pretty big Northern Tool Haul video that'll be coming up whenever that shit gets here. And I also ordered something from Home Depot that's been out of stock for a while. I signed up for the email. As soon as I got the email at like midnight Sunday night, I bought this fucking thing. I got some more of those DeWalt shelves coming, the little ones. They went on sale for $112 at Home Depot, which is the best $112 if you're looking for shelving that you could fucking spend. We will have a final shop update kind of when we get everything done. The electricians finally finished today and all that shit, so thank God we finally have full lighting, full power. We're fucking good to go. What else? Got the fuel drum in. We are using more fuel than I expected, and I have to learn when to call to get fuel because I scheduled it for Wednesday when I should have scheduled it for today, but we're about out of fuel, but fuck it. They got 100 gallons. They can go all day on a fucking tank of fuel. But anyway, that's what we got going on here. Sorry it's been so sporadic on YouTube videos. I really appreciate everybody, leaving comments and stuff. And, thank you for all the comments about the trucks. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to show you the next 5. If you thought these were awesome, the next 5 are gangster, dude. They're going to be just absolutely beautiful. That's because the junkie put them together and all that stuff. But like always, thanks for watching. Check out the Patreon account. Check out Online Tool Vendors, Junkie Shop Time on Facebook, and Justin Sturgill Trucking on Facebook. If you want to see some of the behind-the-scenes bullshit that I got going on, it'll be all on there. And like always, thanks for watching, and I gotta fucking go.